Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today I would like to share about the fastest web browser in the world. Yes, you heard it right, the fastest web browser in the world. You might be thinking that it might be a Google Chrome, it might be a Mozilla Firefox, or it might be a Opera, but unfortunately none of them. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First, you need to go to the Play Store. Now search for the Poopin. As you can see in the top level, the Poopin web browser is showing. Remember, there is two versions. This you are seeing is a free version, and here one more you will be able to see here is a pro version. So right now we'll be using a free version. So we'll install it. Once the installation is done, we'll open it. As you can see, it's user interface. Just click on next, next, next. You can see its user interface here. Why I'm mentioning this is the fastest web browser in the world. Just let's check how fast is it. Let's click on this Google, as it's not opening, right? So we'll check again how fast it is. So we'll try to put a website. You can compare it with using the different web browsers, but still you will find the web page loading using this web browser is really quite faster than any web browser compared to the Google Chrome, even with the Mozilla Firefox, even with the Opera. You will definitely see a difference while using this web browser. You can compare side by side if you don't trust me, and even you can use it on various devices like Android devices, iOS or the iPhone devices, or even the iPads, or even the Windows computers, or even the Apple Macintosh computers. You can try this web browser. It's available for most of the popular platforms, and I'm providing its official website link in the video description, so you can click from there and you can browse and check about this web browser by going into their official website link. So why don't you check by yourself and know whether it's really a fast or the faster compared to the rest popular web browsers. I hope you found it useful, and please click on thumbs up if you like it, and thumbs down too if you do not like. And lastly, please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and thanks for watching.